go to a magic shop. It's like some kind of shop.
Yeah.
And we, give our trauma and we get something back.
Bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, and another song people are talking about that's on the album.
다 맞죠. 네, 이제 많이 저희들 보면서 저희 생각을 많이 해주시니까 좀 재밌게 표현을 해봤죠.
미리 타이어 안 하네.
아이고.
Sorry.
Appreciates that for sure. Thank you! BTS is hanging out, you guys. Let's go into song number 14. Bless you, by the way. Thanks. That one sneeze can get like 50,000 retweets, so I hope we got it on tape.
예뻐진 호비도.
이게 없네. Please invite us, Alfie.
Bless you.
Bless you.
How do bless you?
Bless you.
How do
Hers is so short.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you just
And the Instagram. And the Instagram.
뭐 한 거야? 애교 부린 거야?
근데 그렇게 못했다는 게 이건 잘못된 재치기의 습관입니다, 여러분들. 재치기를 할 때는 이 자세로 재치기하는 게